Everybody. Just wanted to give you a brief rundown on how you can get survey results into Microsoft Excel. How exciting. What you want to do is go to the Full Grade Center and click on it. Then you want to scroll to the right on the Full Grade Center until you get to the survey in question. We'll look at the mechanical engineering PEOs. Then what we'll do is we'll look at the attempt statistics. And it looks like we've got some numbers here. Looks like we've got a question and some percentages. What you want to do is take the question along with the percentages, and you want to copy that. Bring up an Excel spreadsheet, to a paste, and then you're probably going to get too many digits worth of precision on this, but it kind of doesn't matter because you'll get something and then you can mess around with it a little bit if you want, or you could round it before you create the chart. But in any case, you can do an insert and then do a chart, and perhaps a pie chart is okay, or a bar chart, whichever you like. So let's try the pie chart. And so here it is. Agree, strongly agree. It's not exactly obvious from this. Maybe the way to do it is, let's delete this and remove the percent answered, and we'll take the actual question and bring it down a little bit, and then maybe the thing to do is do an undo. It looks like I may have messed up something here. Yeah, somehow it merged it. What we'll do is we'll do a insert chart bar chart. Well, that looks all right. In fact, the percentages even look okay. It probably ought to express this as a percentage, though. I don't know why it didn't. Maybe it goes from 0 to 100. And not exactly sure why it's not coming out as percentages. Perhaps the number has to be expressed as a percentage, but now it doesn't look right either. I don't know how to use Excel. Excel is hard. Maybe if you take this number here and multiply it by 100, you can get a percentage. I don't know. So then if you do that and paste it in here, there, 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 and there, I'm not sure. And take all of this, and I guess you can't really paste it back into here. How does one plot percentages? I don't know. I don't know. It's a mystery. It's an Excel thing. Insert chart column. Well, that's weird. Yeah, this doesn't look right either. Okay. So much for my demo. Insert chart bar. Well, that's all right, but the format code needs to change. Perhaps something that looks like that would be better. Let's try it again. Insert chart bar. Yeah. It seems to do whatever it wants to do. I don't know why it's not expressing it as a percentage, but that's just the way it is with Excel. So maybe you can figure that one out. Chart title should probably be PEO question 1 for mechanical engineers. So that's that. Probably could do PEO 1 ME enter. And so now you can create another spreadsheet. Perhaps insert the chart. Call this one PEO 2 mechanical engineers. And go back to PEO 2 and see if you can copy that, go into Excel, paste, remove percent answered, enter, select, insert chart, bar, call it, I don't know, PEO 2 mechanical engineering, enter. Well, that looks all right, I suppose. So that's probably how you would go about doing it. I don't know how you can get these things to be turned into percentages, but I'll leave that to you to figure out. Thanks a bunch. Talk to you later. Bye.